Good morning students. Today we will discuss about another test called it as chi-square distribution. This also be one of the tests in hypothesis test. In Z test, T test, F test, we test about the population parameters like mean, proportion and variance. In some of the cases we need not to test about the population parameters. In such situations we use this chi-square distribution. So here to calculate this chi-square test we need to use this formula, that is chi-square is equal to, this is the representation chi-square, summation of I is equal to 1 to k, this is number of categories, so observed frequencies minus expected frequencies whole square by expected frequencies. So this is the formula, and we need to calculate this according to this particular formula, and we have to compare it with the table value. So if the calculated value is less than the table value, then we accept the hypothesis, null hypothesis, otherwise we reject the null hypothesis. So here we will discuss a problem. First problem is, suppose a coin is tossed 200 times. Suppose a coin is tossed 200 times with the following results. So head comes 90 times and tail comes 110 times. Total 200 times we toss a coin, and this is the information we got. So this is the observed frequencies. When we perform this task, we observed 90 times we got the head and 110 times we got the tail. So we have to test, is this a fair coin? We are not asking that the mean and the standard deviation like that. We are not asked to calculate that. So here we are asked to find out, is this a fair coin or not. So we are given with the observed frequencies. We have to find out the expected frequencies. So first formulate the null hypothesis, that is there is no difference between the observed frequencies and the expected frequencies. That's why OI is equal to EI. We have set up like this, and the alternative hypothesis has, there is a difference between these two frequencies, observed and expected frequencies. And this is the table we have to formulate. So events are head and tail. So these are the observed frequencies. 90 times we got heads and 110 times we got tails. But we thought that this is a fair coin. We are expecting that this is a fair coin. For fair coin, there is a half chance, there is an equal chance to get a head and tail also. So that's why for 200 times a coin is tossed, we have to get 100 times heads and 100 times tails. So that is the expected frequencies, 100 times and 100 times. So next we have to find out this OI minus EI, 90 minus 100 minus 10, 110 minus 100, 10. OI minus EI whole square, minus 10 whole square is 100, 10 whole square is 100, and OI minus EI by whole square by EI, that is 100 divided by 100, which gives 1, 100 divided by 100, which gives 1, and we have to find out this total. So chi-square is equal to summation of OI minus EI whole square by EI, which gives 2. So here we need to find out degrees of freedom. Here, in order to calculate the table value of chi-square distribution, so we need to find out the degrees of freedom. So here in the problem we have 2 rows and 2 columns. We have 2 events, heads and tails, and we have 2 values also. This is 2 rows and 2 columns. So here, in order to find out the degrees of freedom, we have to use this formula, R minus 1 into C minus 1. So number of rows minus 1, number of columns minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1, which gives 1. So here degrees of freedom is 1, and the level of significance value is alpha is equal to 5%. Level of significance is alpha is equal to 5%. they haven't mentioned any level of significance in this problem. That's why we have to assume that the level of significance is alpha is equal to 0.05. So this is the calculated value. So we have to compare it with the table value. So for that we have to use the table, chi-square distribution table. So here level of significance is 5%, that is 0.05, and the degrees of freedom value is 1. So we got this result is 3.841. The required table value is 3.841. So this is the table value. So here we have to compare it with the calculated value. So calculated value is 2 and the table value is 3.841. So which is less than the table value. 2 is less than the 3.841 table value. So we accept the null hypothesis. We conclude that. So this is a fair coin. This is a fair coin. So let's take another problem. The brand manager is concerned that her brand's share may be unevenly distributed throughout the country. So in a survey in which the country was divided into 4 regions, a random sampling of 100 consumers in each region was surveyed with the following results. So here regions are Northeast, Northwest, Southeast and Southwest. So here there should be a survey on purchasing the brand or not. So purchase the brand, do not purchase. These are the categories. So purchase the brand, 40 people and 60 people. Northwest 55, 45. In Southeast 45, 55 and Southwest 50 and 50. So this is the total. So here we are asked to develop a table of observed and expected frequencies for this problem, and we need to find out the chi-square value. At alpha is equal to 0.05, test whether brand share is the same across the 4 regions or not. So here, in order to find out the expected frequencies, these are all observed frequencies. We are given with observed frequencies. So we have to find out the expected frequencies. To calculate the expected frequencies, we need to use this formula. So expected frequencies is equal to row total into column total by grand total. So grand total is nothing but 400. So row totals are here and these are the column totals. So first we have to formulate the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. So null hypothesis as the brand share is evenly distributed. H1 is the brand share is not evenly distributed. So here we need to formulate the table. So here we have 2 rows, that is purchase the brand, do not purchase the brand. So in purchase the brand we have Northeast, Northwest, Southeast and Southwest. Not purchase, in that we have 4 regions, Northeast, Northwest, Southeast and Southwest. So these are all the observed frequencies. Just like in the problem we have to put it. So here we have to find out the expected frequencies. So expected frequencies, we have a formula, that is row total into column total divided by grand total. So row total, first we have to find out for Northeast, for row 1. For row 1 we have to find out the expected frequencies for this. So row total is 190, column total is 100 and the grand total is 400. 4 4s are 16. So this value is 47.5. So this we have to put it here, 47.5. So in the same way we have to find out for next value. So in the same way we will find out for the next value, that is for row 1 northwest, that is row total is 190 and column total is 100 and the grand total is 400. For this also we got 47.5. So in the same way we have to find out all the values. Next, observed frequencies minus expected frequencies. Next, squares of this particular column. Next, OI minus EI whole square divided by EI. We got this value 1.18, 1.18, 0.1313. Like that we got the total value chi-square is equal to 5. So here we need to find out the degrees of freedom. For that we need to use this formula r minus 1 into c minus 1. So here in the problem we have 2 rows and 4 columns. 2 rows, purchase the brand, do not purchase the brand, and 4 regions, northeast, northwest and southeast, southwest. So 2 rows and 4 columns. So here r minus 1 into c minus 1, 2 minus 1 into 4 minus 1, which gives 3. So degrees of freedom is 3. So in the problem they have mentioned alpha is equal to 0.05. So using the chi-square distribution table, at alpha is equal to 0.05 and degrees of freedom is 3. So the value is 7.815. 7.815. This is a table value, 7.815. So chi-square is equal to 7.815. So we have to compare this table value with the calculated value. So calculated value is 5. So calculated value is less than the table value. So that's why we have to accept the null hypothesis. So we conclude that the brand share is evenly distributed in all the 4 regions. So in this way we can calculate the hypothesis test. So thank you students. I will meet you in the next video.